Okay, I'm at the car shop. I need to get an oil change on my car, but there's a long line, so I'm gonna have to wait for. They said about 3 hours, so I don't know what I'm gonna do for the next 3 hours. Maybe I'll have some lunch somewhere around here. Problem is, it's raining. You see, it's raining. It really kind of hampers my mobility here. I want to walk all the way to that other shopping place, but that's like a half-mile away, and it's raining. Maybe I'll hang around here for a while and see if the rain stops, and then move over there.
Perfect song. His sister can live stream it. The mom downloads how to set a dislocated shoulder, all at the same time. Only Files offers 150 medication people upload and download speeds, TV and phone for just $79.
See, this is where we are. At the car shop. So we're gonna just kind of wait around here for a few hours, wait for the car to get done. So we'll just kind of wait. Okay, I think I'll go out and have some lunch while they're working on my car. They're not even starting to work on my car yet. My car is right here. About the third in line. So why don't we go have some lunch? Let's go grab some lunch at this Chinese food place over here. It's about 1:30 and I got here around 12, maybe earlier, maybe 11:45, and there's a lot of people getting their car serviced today. I guess it's because it's a holiday. People have the day off, so they might as well have stuff done. Here's the Dunkin Donuts. I'm gonna have to check that out later. Oh, I think this is this a froyo place? And that place is closed. Here's an alteration place. This is an office building here. Okay, I'm at the Chinese restaurant close to the auto shop. It's about 1:30 and I'm hungry, so I'm going to have some lunch. I ordered some naan chicken. Oh, appetizer. Some egg drop soup. What's that? It's good, huh? Okay, let's go. Thank you. I had some delicious Chinese food. Then I'm off. Back to the body shop, the auto shop. And it's still raining. I thought it'd be done by now. This whole rain thing. Well, it's over here, man. A lot of other places. I've never been back here too much. Usually I go to this main building, but back here there are a few other buildings. Maybe there's some other interesting stuff over here. Dunkin Donuts. You can't get them at a grocery store. Dunkin Donuts. You can't get them in a coffee shop. Dunkin Donuts. You can't get them in a restaurant. Okay, that's the Dunkin Donuts. Dunkin Donuts. After having lunch at the Chinese food place, I'm having dessert here at the Dunkin Donuts. Okay, I just got a call. They're done with the car. So now, go back to the shop and pick up the car. Just went to Dunkin Donuts. Had some donuts. Now I'm going back to the shop to pick up my car. I just did an oil change, but now they're done. Okay, we're done. Whew. Took a long time this time. Last time it only took 30 minutes. This time it took 3 hours. I believe they're quite busy today. And the car is parked in the back. Yeah, well, sometimes it takes a while. Sometimes it only takes 30 minutes. Today took about 3 hours. I've been here. I got here around 12. It is now around 3. So, but not doing anything anyway, so just kind of hanging out. So we'll just go, and maybe I'll go somewhere. I can find my car. Oh, there it is. Okay. It's over here in the back. Wonder if there's a way out through there. Here's the car. Okay. Well, looks all right to me. Everything's all in place. Yep. Oil cap nice and tight. Yep. It's all right.